Hi, this is Petra from Job Pedal. I'm here with Mert today. Mert is from one of our amazing security companies called Securecorp, and he is the fabulous, is it the New South Wales business manager?
Correct.
So we are talking to the man of men over here. Welcome, Mert.
No worries. Thank you.
So today, we really want to talk about the candidates you're looking for.
Yep.
So tell me, Securecorp is just such a reputable company, deals with high-level clients. So tell me, what kind of security people are you looking for?
Well, look, we are looking for people who good communication skills, well presentable, people who have got a security license.
That's key.
That is key. And just someone who's going to fit into teams and be able to work with in a team, and just probably more customer service than anything.
Yeah, because you deal with customers all day, every day in security,
Correct.
right?
Yeah, look, that's what security really is. It's customer service. So
absolutely. Yeah. Well, what I would love about you, Mert, is you have been in security yourself, right? So you know both ends of the stick, right? So you know what it means to be in security and what it means to be on the other side. Tell me about your security experience. How was that for you?
So I started security back in 2008, and I started off like everybody else, 18-year-old doing clubs and pubs, and then I went into the retail world. I worked at Westfield for a few years before heading actually into the casino. So I was a surveillance operator at the casino. And then I thought I'll go back into retail. So I went back into retail for a little bit, and then I came across a position at Securecorp. So, they were kind enough to give me an opportunity, and here I am now, 13 years later.
Amazing. That's a great story. And what I really love about that story is like there's real progression in the security industry. So if you come, you show up,
that's
and
right,
you're willing to do the work, there's just great opportunities
100%.
for you.
There's a lot of opportunities in the industry, yeah.
Fantastic. And tell me about Securecorp, tell me what kind of clients you have.
So with Securecorp, we're a tier 1 provider. We look after a lot of Westfield, JLL, vicinity, a lot of vicinity sites. So very large shopping centres. That's just not here in New South Wales, so also in Melbourne, Queensland as well. We look after all those sites as well.
Yeah, and once again, what I really love about it is like there's such great opportunities nationally.
Correct.
So if you join in New South Wales, you can always go nationally, which is just fantastic.
100%.
And so, the one thing I did really want to mention, which you did say before, is that you do not pay cash.
No, we definitely don't pay cash. Our company does not pay cash to anybody. We're 100% compliant. So, no cash with us.
So no dodgy dealings, guys.
Dodgy dealings.
No dodgy dealings.
No dodgy dealings.
I love that. I mean, he still has cash. Seriously. It's all phones or whatever, right? Exactly. Well, I so love that you know both sides of the coin. I think that's just so valuable, and that you really are that great liaison for company and security guard, and and such a great company and national reach. I mean, can I have a job?
100%.
You sound amazing.
100%.
I want a job at your place.
As long as you've got your security license.
Oops. Well, thank you so much, Mert, for being here with us.
Thank you very much.